Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name's Stacy. So, quick updates in the Diddy case. One of the jurors is apparently having some vertigo issues, but regardless, one of the jurors is not feeling well. So there is no court today. Today is Wednesday, no court. The prosecution was getting ready to rest on Friday. That is now going to be pushed back. Apparently, there's not going to be trial tomorrow, and there's going to be a half day on Friday. So the prosecution has one more witness. This is like the third time he's been there to testify, and now he's going to have to come back again. But that's the way it goes. So the prosecution was leaving. The Diddy's attorneys were up in a huddle talking to him about what they're going to do, because I don't think he's going to testify. I mean, I'm not sure what he can put on as a defense. But there is, like I said, this one juror is getting sick. There's one juror has been removed. There's questions about another juror and whether that juror will stay, because they got some kind of text like, "Are you juror number 6" or something like that, and they went to the prosecutor and the judge, like they made that known immediately. So there is some questions about that, and Diddy's attorneys, they're trying to get on this. There's a third alternate juror that they seem to want on. So it is kind of strange that there's one juror that's been removed, another juror's sick, and if that person, can't get their symptoms under control, then they may have to, be removed or bow out from the trial, and then that's going to put another alternate on, possibly an alternate that he wants. So, and then there's always the chance that they're going to move for a mistrial. But what we absolutely can't have is them running out of jurors. If they run out of jurors, the case is over, and jeopardy attaches once the jury's seated. So, I mean, in order of preference, we would obviously prefer a mistrial to them running out of jurors, and then he's suddenly not guilty and can't be tried again because jeopardy attached. So with a mistrial, at least there's another shot at it. But I mean, for the victim's sake, I wouldn't ever wish that, on any of them. So hopefully, fingers crossed, everything will work out okay with the jury, and they'll be able to get this back on track Friday. And the prosecution put on their last witness and rest Monday, and then, hopefully then the defense will rest hopefully by Friday next week. So that is the tentative schedule. Please like, and I will